Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, our focus will be mystery words.
Materials.
The only materials you will need for today's lesson is your thinking cap. Get ready. We have two learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, I can follow along in a shared text. The second learning target says, I can find the mystery words what, when, and then in a text.
Read aloud.
Here's a new poem for us to read called The Busy Sun. See if you can follow along as I read. When the sun wakes up, it lights up the sky. Then the moon goes to sleep and doesn't ask why. When the sun wakes up, it warms up the trees. Then you know what starts buzzing? The big bumblebees. When the sun wakes up, it shines on the lake. What fun plans for swimming then we can make. Then the sun says goodnight and it turns out the light until the next day when again it's in sight.
Transition song.
Let's solve the mystery, let's solve the mystery, clue by clue, clue by clue. The clues will tell you what to do to make the word become clear to you. We'll know the word, we'll figure it out, clue by clue, clue by clue.
Word work.
Remember that high-frequency words are words that authors use often. Our poem, The Busy Sun, has 3 of these words, but we don't know which ones they are. Let's use clues to figure out the mystery words. Our first mystery word has 4 letters in it. Do you see any words with 4 letters? Whoa! I see that the word when has 4 letters. I also see the words then, moon, goes, no, what, lake, make, says, and next have 4 letters. I wonder which one of these words is our mystery word. How about another clue? This word also has the letter A, but it does not sound like a or a. Do you see any words that have 4 letters, one of which is the letter A, but doesn't sound like the A that we would expect? I see that the word what has 4 letters, and one of those letters is A. What might be the first mystery word? Let's check our clues. Does the word what have 4 letters? 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does it have the letter A? It sure does. W-H-A-T. But does that A have either of the sounds we know for A or A? No. It sounds more like What is our first mystery word? Let's move on to our next mystery word. This word also has 4 letters. Let's look again at the words with 4 letters. Remember, we have when, then, moon, goes, no, what, lake, make, says, and next. I think we need another clue. The mystery word starts with the letter W. Well, that matches our first mystery word, what? But we're looking for a different word. Since we already found what, do you see any other words that have 4 letters and start with W? If you said when, you might be right. Let's check our clues. Does this mystery word have 4 letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does it start with W? Yes. When is our second mystery word. Time for our last mystery. We're going to search for one more word that has 4 letters. The mystery word rhymes with when. Do you see any words that have 4 letters and rhyme with when? If you think our mystery word is then, you might be right. Let's check our clues. Does the word then have 4 letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does then rhyme with when? Yes. Both words have the N sound at the end. Then is our mystery word. As I read the poem one last time, pay close attention to our mystery words, what, when, and then. When the sun wakes up, it lights up the sky. Then the moon goes to sleep and doesn't ask why. When the sun wakes up, it warms the trees. Then you know what starts buzzing, the big bumblebees. When the sun wakes up, it shines on the lake. What fun plans for swimming then we can make. Then the sun says goodnight and it turns out the light until the next day when again it's in sight.
Closing reflection.
How will practicing our mystery words help us with reading and writing? Nice thinking. Count how many times you see the words what, when, and then today. See you next time.